Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when the app or the game is not launching on BlueStacks 5. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you want to try out is go ahead and change the settings, graphic settings of BlueStacks. So you want to write down BlueStacks and you're going to see multi-instance manager. So you want to open it up. After that, just make sure to close BlueStacks, and once you will close it, as you can see, there are settings. So we want to click on that gear icon, and after that you will see graphics, and as you can see I have chosen performance already. So if your graphics engine mode is on compatibility, you want to click on performance and save the changes. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you might want to disable Hyper-V. So to do this, you can go ahead on support BlueStacks and you will find this article, how to disable Hyper-V on Windows on BlueStacks 5. You can either download a custom exe file, but I like to use command prompt and just go ahead and turn off this hypervisor launcher type. So all you have to do is write down CMD and run it as administrator. After it will open up, you want to paste that from the article. I'm going to leave this in the description below. And as you can see, the operation has now been successful and you can go ahead and close it. You might want to try and restart your PC, so this would be saved. But basically, now your game should work on BlueStacks. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.